Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can set Gemini as your default voice assistant in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First, press this power button. What is weather in Chicago?
In Chicago, Illinois, United States, it's 43 with light rain. Today, there will be light rain with a high of 45 and a low of 43.
So as you can see, it is currently using Google Assistant. To shift it from Google Assistant to Gemini, you need to go to your Google, tap on this icon, go to Settings, and go to Google Assistant. Scroll down, and here you will see Digital Assistants from Google. Tap on this option. Now select Gemini. From here, you will see Switch option. Tap on it. Scroll down and tap on Use Gemini. So let's check if Gemini is now activated. New York current weather.
In New York, United States, it's 3 and sunny. Today it'll be cloudy with a high of 9 and a low of 2.
So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.